Good evening, students. So today we came with another part of this video. Again, the same chapter is there, construction of quadrilateral. So in this part of the video we will discuss the following topics. First of all, first topic is construction of parallelogram. Second, construction of a rectangle. And third, construction of rhombus. Now remember one thing, students, that construction of rectangle and construction of square are same. The difference is that in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal, and in a square all sides are equal, but the constructions are same. So let's start the video first topic with the first topic, that is construction of parallelogram. With the first topic, that is construction of parallelogram. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB equals to 6 centimeter, BC equals to 4.5 centimeter, and diagonal AC equals to 6.8 centimeter. Now, as from the property of a parallelogram, we know that in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. So therefore I have given two sides, that is first one is AB and second is BC. So the opposite side of AB is CD. So AB will be equals to CD, and both are equal to 6.5 centimeter. And BC will be equals to AD, and both are equals to 4.5 centimeter. And the diagonal, alone diagonal, that is AC, and that is equals to 6.8 centimeter. Now we have to draw this parallelogram. So right now I am drawing a rough diagram. I will basically let you understand what are the steps involving in construction of a parallelogram. You have to use compass, you have to use protractor, you have to use scale, pencil in order to construct these figures. So let's start the drawing. So first of all, I will draw the base of the parallelogram, that is AB. So I will draw AB, that is equals to 6.5 centimeter with the help of scale. So AB is equals to 6.5 centimeter. Now as you can see, BC is equals to 4.5 centimeter. With the help of compass, just measure 4.5 centimeter, put it at point B and cut an arc which is away from point B and having a distance of 4.5 centimeter. Now diagonal AC is given 6.8 centimeter. So again, with the help of compass we will measure 6.8 centimeter, put it at point A and cut this arc. The point of intersection is point C. We will join BC. And AC. BC equals to 4.5 centimeter and AC is equals to 6.8 centimeter. Now, since as we know that AB is equals to CD and that both are 6.5 centimeter, so what I will do, I will once again measure 6.5 centimeter with the help of compass, put it at point C and cut an arc which is away from point C at a distance of 6.5 centimeter. And AD is 4.5 centimeter, which is equals to BC. So I will measure with the help of compass AD 4.5, put it at point A and then cut it. Now I will join the point of intersection I will join the point of intersection, and ABCD will be my required parallelogram. ABCD will be my required parallelogram. So I hope that you have understood the basic steps how to draw or how to construct a parallelogram. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is construction of a rectangle. So I am writing the next question, that is question number 2 or topic 2. Construct a rectangle ABCD in which side BC is equals to 5 centimeter and diagonal BD is equals to 6.2 centimeter. So let's draw this figure. First of all, the base is given to me, that is BC. I have to draw first 5 centimeter BC base. So I will draw 5 centimeter BC base. Let's suppose this is BC, which is 5 centimeter. Now what I will do next is, as I know that in a rectangle the angles are 90 degree to each other, so I will draw 90 degree at point B and 90 degree at point C with the help of compass. So I think so you all able to draw 90 degree angle with the help of compass, which you have already studied in class 7. So 90 degree I will draw with the help of compass. Then I will draw 2 straight lines. I will draw 2 straight lines here. Now next is, I have given BD equals to 6.2 centimeter. BD equals to 6.2 centimeter. With the help of compass and a scale, I will measure 6.2 centimeter, put it here at point B and cut an arc on CX line such that it will cut CX such that this point, which I will consider as D, is 6.2 centimeter away from point B. I will join it. I will join it first. Now you can see that 6.2 centimeter diagonal I have already drawn. Now as I told you that it is the property of a rectangle that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if BC is 5 centimeter, then AD will be also equals to 5 centimeter. So with the help of compass and scale, I will measure 5 centimeter, put it at D and cut it in BY line such that it intersect here away from D, and this point will be A, and I will join this BA line. I will join this BA line and ABCD will be my required rectangle. I hope that you have understood the basic steps how to draw a rectangle. In similar way, you will able to draw a square also. In a square, it is already you may know that all the angles of a rectangle are, sum of all the angles are 360 degree and each angle are equal to 90 degree. So just like a rectangle, you may able to draw a square also. Now let's come to our third topic, that is construction of rhombus. So let's take the example. Construct a rhombus with side 4.2 centimeter and one of its angle equal to 65 degree. Now if one of the angle is equals to 65 degree, therefore its adjacent angle is equals to 180 degree minus 65 degree, so that will be equals to 115 degree. So if one of the angle is 65 degree, then its adjacent angle will be 115 degree. So let's draw a rhombus with a side of 4.2 centimeter. As we all know that in a rhombus all the sides are equal. So first of all we will draw a base that is 4.2 centimeter. So I have drawn a base, let's say it is AB, which is 4.2 centimeter. Now with the help of a protractor we will put at point B and measure 65 degree. Let's suppose 65 degree will be here. Now I will join this line. Let this is BX line. Again I will move the same protractor at point A, put it at point A, and I will measure 115 degree. Let's suppose 115 degree will be here. So what I will do, I will just join A. So from here to here it is 115 degree, and from so angle ABX equals to 65 degree and angle BAY is equals to 115 degree. So we will draw these angles with the help of a protractor. Now as I said that all the sides of a rhombus are equal, so I have drawn AB 4.2 centimeter. I will measure 4.2 centimeter in a compass. I will put it at point B and cut an arc. The point of intersection will be C, which is 4.2 centimeter away from point B. I will again, what will I do? I will measure, I will put the same compass at point A and I will cut an arc at AY line such that the intersection will be point D, which is 4.2 centimeter away from A. Then what I will do, I will join CD, and ABCD will be my required rhombus. I hope that you have understood the concept how to draw a rhombus, how to draw a parallelogram, and how to draw a square or a rectangle. See students that these all figures which I have drawn here are rough diagram, as because I have not drawn it with the use of compass, protractor. We are just using a pencil and a scale. This is just an explanation how to construct these basic figures. You have to draw the rough diagram as well as the diagram, the original diagram, with the help of all these equipments. So construct these figures, solve exercise 17B, and I hope that you will able to solve those questions very fluently. If you stuck in any of the question, you can see the video, you can take the help of it. Thank you. Have a nice day.